Hey everyone, this is Coach Hula and hope you are well. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of my presentation that I'm going to be having on November 7th for Live Stream MANIA. And if you don't know, it's called Chronological versus Physiological Age. It is based off my book, the SPARTA Seniors, SPARTA Methods, Synchronicity of Science, Perception of Limitations, and Movement, a new method to build and support intrinsic capacity in older adults and all that fun stuff. So in my presentation, it's basically an overview of my book, my method, and I am huge on giving practical information that can be used in that same day. And if you don't know, my Sparta method will complement your program, or it can be used as it can be used by itself. So let me just give you a quick couple of slides. In my style of presenting, I like to have fun and have cat memes. So here's an example. Of course, if I'm speaking about chronological versus physiological age, I go over a lot of basic science, and of course, questions like this: what is the main difference between athlete and older adults? With an older adult age and the effects of aging process. Of course, the main difference, as well as muscle loss, poor balance, less flexibility, and slower reaction time. But there is a little caveat to that. What is that?
Weight or press. Look straight.
Show this.
Sit. Put your hips back. Go to table 4. Lots of hot and sour soup.
My next slide will explain it.
Tenders. Then sit. No switching.
And that is, but not all older adults of the same age face the same challenges. Yes. So I get into it more about the SET principle and how it applies to older adults as well as athletes. SMART goals, of course, I discuss. And my auxiliary exercises is the meat and potatoes of it. I show examples of my auxiliary exercises which can complement your current program. Here's one. This is baton twirling.
Control.
So something like this can be done after a rotator cuff exercise and prior to the primary exercise as a chest exercise.
Very good.
And for people like us who love the science of it, so baton twirling works distally from the wrist to the shoulder and scapula. And then we take it another step further and increases neuromuscular activation, prepares the individual for the primary strength exercise, such as dumbbell chest press or side shoulder raises. Again, auxiliary exercises just complement your current program. Basically they're just intended to fill the gap between other standard exercises to help people develop more efficient and fluid movement and to reduce compensation during the execution of a primary exercises. Everything can be regressed and progressed. All are designed to contribute to the development and management of skill sets that are transferable to daily activities. Again, I'm just giving you a quick overview. Here's another cat meme. I go over the anatomical planes of motion. As I said, we discuss and then we compare what is this guy doing, which planes is he working in. Humor is a big part of my style of training. So let me just bring it back to the beginning. As I said, my workshop is going to be November 7th. I will give other updates. And I hope you can register early. And by the way, they have a ton of other classes there, everything from nutrition to functional PT to businesses. It's a great value. It's a weekend workshop. And I'll leave you with this.
Up and down.
And here we go.
Second wind.
SPARTA Seniors.
Challenging is a good word.
So that's about it, my friends. So hope you liked
5
it.
Up and down.
Just remember, you can always ask me questions. You don't have to wait to that day. I am always posting daily on Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. And that's about it. So I'll talk to you soon.
5 up and down.
Take care.
Second